Let's look at how to put the machine together before your very first use. Start by taking the mesh filter and sliding it firmly into its matching slot right inside the juicing assembly. Now hold the locking ring on the assembly and twist it all the way to the right side on the unlock symbol to unlock it. With the ring unlocked, place the auger straight into the center of the juicing assembly. Once the auger is securely seated inside, simply release the locking ring to lock the auger firmly into place. Now lower the entire juicing assembly onto the main unit base, making sure it sits and fits securely. Take the feeding chute and align the small printed triangle with the unlock mark on the lower ring. Once aligned, turn the feeding chute clockwise until it comes into the locked position. Next, take your pulp jar and place it right underneath the pulp outlet. Then, position your juice jar directly under the main juice outlet. Now that the setup is complete, here is how you start the juicer. Plug the power cord securely into your wall socket and switch on. Turn the control knob on the front of the machine to the on position. When you're done with your session, turning it off is just as easy. Turn the main control knob back to the O or off position. Then, turn off the wall switch and completely unplug the power cord for safety. When is the right time to use the reverse function? If you notice that the pulp isn't coming out smoothly, simply turn and hold the control knob in the reverse or REV position for a few seconds. Let go of the knob to stop it and then switch it back to on to resume juicing. To get the best results, proper ingredient preparation is key. Always wash all of your fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water. If your ingredients are too large, chop them down into 3 to 4 smaller pieces so they fit easily. And don't forget to completely remove any hard seeds, pits, thick peels or hard shells. The built-in juice outlet tap gives you total control over your serving. Slide the tap to the right when you're ready to pour fresh juice into your glass. When you're done, push it back to the left to stop the flow and prevent any drips. To protect the motor, it's important to know the continuous running limits. You can safely operate the juicer for up to 20 minutes continuously at one time. After 20 minutes, switch it off and allow the motor to cool down for at least 30 minutes. You'll notice a small opening on top of the feeding chute lid. Here is what it's for. This opening lets you continuously drop in smaller ingredients on the fly without lifting the main lid or stopping the machine. When you're finished, taking the machine apart for cleaning is quick and straightforward. First, ensure the control knob is turned to the off position. Turn off the wall switch and unplug the power cord completely. Keep the juice outlet tap to the left so it is completely closed. Lift the pusher out of the feeding chute. Twist the feeding chute anti-clockwise to the unlock mark to unlock and lift it off. Gently remove the entire juicing assembly straight up off the base. Twist the locking ring on the bottom to the unlock symbol to release the central auger. Pull the spiral auger straight up out of the housing. Release the locking ring back to its resting position. Finally, lift the mesh filter screen out of the chamber and you're ready to clean. Remove the pulp jar and juice jar. DYLECT, built for you.